Welcome to week 6 of our online course on Reconstruction. Last week we looked at the political leaders of radical Reconstruction, African American, carpetbaggers, scalawags. This week we'll look at these governments and what they tried to accomplish and try to assess their successes and failures. Every southern state drafted new constitutions to comply with the Reconstruction Act of Congress, and in every southern state, new governors, new legislatures came into power. We'll look at what they try to do on the level of education, setting up for the first time in Southern history, statewide public systems of education, and of course bringing African Americans into public education for the first time. We'll look at how they try to deal with the economic needs of the post-war South to rebuild a shattered economy, to try to create a more diversified economy than the old plantation-dominated one. We'll look at civil rights legislation, how these states pioneered in trying to ensure the equality before the law of all citizens. And we will look at the issue of political corruption, which certainly existed in the Reconstruction South, as it did through much of the country in this era, and why and how corruption flourished, and what that tells us about these Reconstruction governments. So, as I've said before, the period is often misunderstood, and we will try to get to the bottom of what was really going on politically in the South during radical Reconstruction.